Welcome back to Turbo Trends. Today, we're diving into a legendary name in the automotive world of the 2025 Pontiac Trans Am. This iconic muscle car is making waves with its comeback, blending modern innovation with classic heritage. Let's explore why the Trans Am is set to reclaim its throne in the world of performance vehicles. Starting with its design, the 2025 Pontiac Trans Am is a perfect homage to the golden era of American muscle cars. The low-slung profile, aggressive lines, and signature split grille bring back memories of the Trans Am's glory days, while LED lighting and aerodynamic enhancements give it a futuristic edge. The iconic screaming chicken hood decal is back, and it's bolder than ever, adding a nostalgic touch that fans will instantly recognize. This isn't just a car-up, it's a statement. Under the hood, the 2025 Trans Am is all about power. At its heart is a supercharged V8 engine, rumored to produce well over 700 horsepower. This beast is paired with a state-of-the-art 10-speed automatic transmission, with paddle shifters for those who want the thrill of manual-like control. And yes, for purists, a 6-speed manual transmission is available, ensuring an authentic driving experience. The performance specs make it clear the new Trans Am isn't just about looking good, it's about dominating the road. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Trans Am strikes the perfect balance between luxury and functionality. Premium leather seats, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a cockpit that feels both sporty and refined. The infotainment system is top-notch, featuring a massive touchscreen with built-in navigation, smartphone connectivity, and voice controls. For audiophiles, the high-end sound system ensures every drive is accompanied by crystal-clear music. When it comes to handling, Pontiac engineers have ensured the Trans Am delivers a finely tuned suspension system, adaptive dampers, and advanced traction control allow this muscle car to take on corners with precision. The new Trans Am isn't just a straight-line rocket, it's also ready to conquer twisty roads and tight curves. Whether you're cruising the highway or tearing up a track, the Trans Am promises an exhilarating ride. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Trans Am comes equipped with advanced driver assist features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance systems. It's clear Pontiac wants drivers to enjoy the thrill of performance without compromising on safety. What makes the 2025 Trans Am truly special is how it bridges generations. For longtime fans, it's a nostalgic return of a beloved classic. For younger enthusiasts, it's a modern muscle car with cutting-edge technology. This balance of heritage and innovation is what makes the Trans Am a standout in today's automotive landscape. The 2025 Pontiac Trans Am is more than just a car-up, it's a cultural icon reborn. Its blend of raw power, sleek design, and advanced tech makes it a worthy successor to the Trans Am legacy. If you're a fan of muscle cars, this is one ride you'll want to experience. Thanks for tuning into Turbo Trends. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Trans Am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think about this legendary comeback. Until next time, keep your engines revved and your passion for cars alive.